Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the speed curve feature in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application and I'm going to show you how you can apply speed curve feature to this video. So guys, the speed curve feature allow you to decrease the speed and increase the speed in the same video. For instance, you want to make this first part of your video become faster and you want to make the end of the video become slower. If you want to do so, you can click on the video and then you can go to the speed and choose the curve. Okay, and here you'll be able to use some template from the curve speed, but you can also select custom, so you can customize the speed of your video. I'm just going to click on edit, and here we'll be able to customize it guys. For instance, for the first part of my video, I'm going to make it faster, so I'm gonna increase it. And for the end part of my video, I'm going to decrease the speed. Okay, you can also add more dot to your speed. Like this, just click on add beat. Like this. Okay, you just need to customize it as you need, guys. Once you're done, you can click on this check mark. And this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use the speed curve feature in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.